Hi, I'm Scott Moffat. I'm one of the owners here in Tint World. We're on 476 East Riverside Drive. At our location, we offer tint, audio installation, and vehicle wraps. In our community, Jeeping, marine, ATV, UTV is a big part of our lifestyle. To fit that lifestyle, we offer many different products. Those products include remote starts, lighting for Jeeps, rock lights, LED strips for your boat, speakers, wheels, bed covers, and many, many more. What makes us unique is that there is no other shop in the area that provides the types of services that we offer. We are a complete automotive styling center. We can take care of all of your needs at one place. If you're in the area, you need to come by and see what we have on our showroom floor. We got many different cars, different times, and we're fun.